It's summer, guys, and we're making a virgin pina colada without a blender. All right? It is so easy to put together, so let's get started. I have some coconut milk here, pineapple juice, some ice cubes, and some grenadine syrup. Fill your glasses with some ice cubes, then use any pattern you want. Pour your stuff, just the way you want to pour it. I'm using some coconut milk first. Then I'm going to add some pineapple juice. Then I'm going to add some grenadine syrup. Simple, easy, and nice. It's also just tasty. Over on the other glass, I'm going to add some thicker juice because I did blend some pineapple pieces along with some pineapple juice, so my juice is going to be a bit thicker there. So I'm going to add that pineapple juice right over the cubes, and then I'm going to add the coconut milk into the thicker pineapple juice. Look at this. So add that coconut milk and then add the grenadine syrup, guys, and you're gonna watch and see how the grenadine syrup just worked its way right through the ice cubes, right through the liquid, and right down to the bottom. Look at how beautiful this is. And it's tasty too, trust me on this. So I'm going to place my umbrellas that I decorated with some maraschino cherries and some pineapple slices. Pop them into there and head right outside. Make sure you put the straws, guys. And at this time, you can see the outside is sunny and nice. This is such a tasty, tropical drink. Give it a try. Don't you forget to subscribe and stay with me. There are many more simple and easy recipes coming your way. Leave me a comment and enjoy, guys. I will see you soon. Bye.